Hello and welcome to yet another of my videos. This is a Linn Kinos, and this is a surround sound processor from Linn with built-in DAC. And this is in fact what we are listening to now. This is my CD player they're playing, and it's connected to the Panasonic input, which is SPD. That's a big thing that somebody, there's a big manual with it, which is, a lot of pages, and a big remote control. And, you can go and reduce volume and increase it, and then you can change the source. I was mucking about with it, and I added MD, which is not on the original plan, and it works as well, but it's now on analog input. So so if I go back to Panasonic, I think it was, nicely mutes it, and that's a digital one. See, when I kill it, it's there, but it's no longer plays, and MD will play on analog. So both digital and analog inputs work, and volume works. Obviously, I haven't tested all of them. If you look at the back, there are zillions of them. There's zillions, and basically, I had trouble getting 5+1 inputs from Unidisk, but this is because, as I read later, you need a RS-232 cable the way it is set up. So that's why there's a lot of configuration to be done. This sort of sounds pretty good. I have no idea what kind of chipset they use there, and probably it's not easy to find out because I have no manual. But it hasn't got HDMI, but it still has some following. I mean, Linn products are renowned, so I'll put it up for 99-cent auction, and we'll see where it's going to go. And well, good luck with it. Pretty good condition. There's no real scratches or anything. It's pretty close to, well, it's not pristine, but I mean, you can see on the remote there's some stains here and a few scratches on the bottom. The top is pretty good. So and display has no scratches, and it's good. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.